Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and now type in Firefox and click search. Now click install and now you can click open. Here you can change some settings of your browser, or you can just scroll down and click start browsing. And now you can use your Firefox browser just like any other internet browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.